Don't stand in the line of the chain unless you want to die.
Got the registration.
That's the same guy down the block.
I told you, my dad was friends with this guy.
Howdy folks, my name is Pete, and this is another vintage VW air-cooled rescue.
Over here in Highland, New York. And we're gonna pull this thing straight past these trees and add Mother Earth. So I'm just gonna come along it past this tree right here to my right, best we can, see how it pulls, and then we are going to pull it out with the truck once we get it here in the straight.
In some swampy ground in the woods, you'll find this 1968 Beetle in its final resting place, a far cry from its birthplace in Germany. After giving up its engine for a dune buggy project, it was left here 30 years ago by the current homeowner's late husband. It's been sitting in this spot so long that the leaf debris have buried it halfway up its flattened tires, which is a very effective theft deterrent. Other standard features for 1968: first year for a padded dash, first year for square bumpers, last year for a swing axle rear suspension, last year for the rear stabilizer bar, and it was equipped with the famous 1500 motor, one of the most solid and reliable air-cooled motors Volkswagen ever produced.
How's that for patina?
Alright, let's try. Let's see if she moves, Peter. Don't stand in the line of the chain unless you want to die.
Yeah, it's ripping the bumper off. That's why you don't stand near it, right?
After surviving my first near-death experience of the day and being left with a shortened chain link, Dennis pivots to a new plan.
Here is your weakest link. Trying to get it out. Problem is this tree is not the right angle. It's all or nothing. Alright, Pete.
Stand back, ladies and gentlemen.
Back.
It's just ripping the front end off.
With its headlight dangling, this bug is starting to look like Popeye the Sailor, and I think we're going to need some canned spinach to make it move. And that comes in the form of a Chevy 4x4.
Come on back! Come on back!
We're gonna wrap this chain around the ball, and we're gonna pull this car right the heck out of here. That's what I'm doing. The plan.
Okay, I'm ready.
Close the door, roll the window down.
The window won't roll.
All right, turn the wheel to the right.
Okay, I can't turn the wheel, it's stuck.
Like you, I am shocked that nothing works.
All right, clear.
Okay, I would stop there. Yeah, you're good.
Despite a towing capacity of 8,700 pounds, this four-wheel drive all-American Chevy pickup is no match for the humble people's car and the laws of physics. Fact is, the Beetle is too buried in the ground to drag out, so the only way forward is to dig and lift.
Funny, I told you this. You should put air in the tires. These tires are pumped up.
Okay, Dennis put the come along a little higher on that tree branch, trying to lift it out of the dirt. This car is really embedded in the ground.
And at long last, after 30 long years, it finally moves.
Yeah, we moved it just about 9 inches. You can see the rut right there. Now that we've got this car out a little more, you can see that the heater channel on the floor have completely dropped out of the bottom. Tell me about bias ply tires, Sam.
Oh, I love bias ply tires. I mean, radials, they drive better for sure than bias plies, I guess. But when you're messing around with old cars, you see those tires in the front there pump up, Petey?
Yep.
You don't have a chance with the radial because they dry rot so badly. You can't do nothing with them.
Okay, so these tires have been sitting here for at least 30 years or something.
And they pumped right back up.
Hope you wrap that chain with Peter, we'll find out.
Crap, the front wheel's already turning Pete.
The Beetle has reached its top speed of 5 feet per hour, and in its wake leaves some scraped up topsoil embedded with discarded parts.
This thing's moving like a snail, leaving a trail behind it. Got some hubcaps, some tar boards, some windshield wipers. This looks like voltage regulator. This came out of this got out of the back seat. Lines the luggage area. Tar board. Oh, here's part of the floor pan. Nice tar. Oh yeah, that's part of some sheet metal here. It's the floor. This thing is crusty.
Don't let the lack of floors distract you. This car has an intact dash, seat frames, and tons of salvageable parts left on it.
Go for it!
Dennis uses the wet leaves to his advantage, and the locked wheels and tires act like the rails of a sleigh as it glides up the hill.
Hey, goodbye.
Inside every salvage Beetle, you'll find a time capsule of memorabilia left by the previous owner, and this 68 is no exception.
Check it out. You might have her personal belongings. Something's in the
No, this was not mine. Oh, gross.
What's in there? There's a jack.
There's a jack in there.
That old scissor jack.
A couple of them.
Alright,
You know, open this. This is cool.
a little toolbox. Looks like an army thing.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oil change kit.
Fuses.
Spark plugs. Oh, it's like lug nuts, points, rotor,
Like that, right?
Wow. It's all
coolest thing
case.
It's the coolest thing about
condenser.
the car, Peter.
This thing is so rotted that the floor pan is folded in half right here. All right, got a horn. Got fender welting, oil strainer, air hose, some relays, axle boot, another relay there. Let's see what's in the glove box. Some brake clips. What's this? Piece of the dash. Part of the wiring harness. It's a rust plastic. Got the registration.
Is that one in there?
Yeah, registration from 1989.
Don't lose it. Nice. I see that.
Family.
What's the name?
Farley. That's the same guy down the block.
I told you, my dad was friends with this guy, John
Those-
Farley.
Yeah.
So we own both this car, the
son is,
67.
Who's the son?
Chris?
No, wait. Jackie.
See, he signed it. He signed it. So this is still valid.
Okay. So you can register.
Unless it doesn't. So look, signature and full wife first name John Farley. So
we took 2 of them from him?
you see, open it up here. Look, so here's the back. So
might
transfer
have
to
been the mother.
Patricia Farley.
Oh no, the daughter. There was Patty, Jackie, and Shalene. So then this one and the dark blue one were both from this guy. Why the hell we took somebody else's junk is beyond me.
I told you, for the motor, for your
I
dune
guess,
buggy.
Yeah, I guess so.
Is there
Yeah.
anything on this paper?
It's just so.
Bill of sale. No? Parts
That's
bill would say.
repairable.
Parts from 1982.
Gary's
Replaced-
Auto Repair.
Look at that.
Volkswagen Specialist.
$244. That was quite a bit back then.
Yeah, look, see? Told you they were expensive to fix back
Replaced
then.
blower. Wow.
It's got a good heater.
Piece of history right there.
You want that?
Yeah, why not? I like wet paperwork.
So what do you think, folks? Parts or restoration? It might look rough, but most of the restored Beetles at the car show start out looking just like this. Anything is possible if you have the budget. Just look at this restored 66 sedan. Call on Dennis at Vintage VW, and he'll make your air-cooled dreams come true.